Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Bob Knopf from Product Marketing here at Poly, and I'll let you talk to you about connecting a USB headset to your X family system or your G7500. You might have a number of reasons you may want to use a headset, but one of them for sure is when you're working in a small office, maybe it's an open workspace, or maybe you're working from home, and you don't want to interrupt people that are around you, or you like to have a little bit more privacy. That's the perfect opportunity to use a headset with your X family system or your G7500. To connect your headsets quite easy. You can use a wired headset or you can use a wireless headset with your Poly dongle that comes with the headsets. So let's go ahead and get started now. The first thing you like to do is insert the dongle or the USB cable directly to the G7500 or X family. You want to make sure you go into the web interface of the X family or G7500. Under Audio Settings, and select Enable USB Audio. Now that my USB headset is connected to the X family or G7500 and I have made sure to check Enable USB Audio on the web interface. I'm able to go into the Web Diagnostics or into the on-screen UI to check the audio diagnostics to make sure that my USB headset is working properly. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much for joining me today.